Think before you click. Every day, we scroll, we click, we post, and we share without thinking twice. But here's the thing, do we stop and think before we click? The answer is
Not always.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening everyone. I am Miko and Bulabon. My campaign title is Think Before You Share Combating Fake News. My key advocacy message is fake news is not just a harmless post. It can shape opinions, fuel division, and even endanger lives in today's digital age. Misinformation spreads faster than truth, often reaching millions before fact checkers can respond. Our campaign, Think Before You Share, Combating Fake News, emphasize the content you contribute, either the spread of truth or the amplification of lies. By practicing digital responsibility, we can protect communities to deception, safeguard democracy, and promote a culture of honesty online. This means verifying sources, questioning sensational headlines, and refusing questioning to share unverified information. Remember, you are online actions that real world consequences. Together, we can build a safer, more informed digital environment with truth, prevents or falsehood. And the relevant facts or statistics, according to a 2018 MIT study, fake news spread 6 times faster than true stories and social media. And in the Philippines, 88% of internet users encounter fake news online. For me, the call to action are post, verify, share responsibly, and be part of solution against misinformation. And the appropriate visuals are a smartphone with a stop sign overlay. Second is icons of magnifying glass for verification, shield for protection, and people connected for community. Last one is colors, red for warning, blue for trust, and white for truth.